This is how you close all the open apps on Android when you have gesture navigation set to 3 buttons. You know that you have this navigation mode where you see these 3 buttons. This is the classic way. There is another way where you have gesture navigation, but that's working a little bit different. I will open a few apps now just to show you how this works. So I will open the app and then minimize it. So I have a few apps opened. In gesture navigation, you swipe up and stop halfway here. But with this mode, with the 3-button navigation mode, you have to just press on the square button. This is the multitasking switch, and here you can change to another window. And you can even double tap it to switch between 2 windows, like that, 2 apps. When you press the square button here, the multitasking switch button, you have a few options, and clear all. If you press that, it closes all the apps. Now all the apps are closed on your Android phone, and you might see a little bit faster. Your phone might be a little bit faster, especially that if you had a lot of apps open, you can always open the apps again, and you can always do this again, close the apps again. If this video helped you, leave a like below and also subscribe to this channel. It really helps this channel a lot if you subscribe, and also you will learn how to use your devices. Thanks for watching.